Oh, hi. Today we are playing Monkey Buddies in VR. The original name was Chimp and Chase. They've changed it to Monkey Buddies. Today I'll be showing you everything we have. Let's just start here. You've disconnect, join, and if you can't do any of those, that's the fix button. You can change your name, your color, like if I want it to be green, red, and your settings. That's all I have. You have John Paul, Gaming Curry. You have a band area. You have a bed in the moderator vent. Over here, we're playing special, and the arms are weird. You also can blink. There's a parkour here, which, if I'm good, I should be able to complete it. And over there is that, and I'll just do it for content. Oh God. Oh God. And that's the end of it. Let me fall in here. Whoa. And if you just, you get teleported back. Now down here, don't mind if I'm breathing. We have a Russian hat, watermelon hat, that. Oh, Ivy. We have a fake gun, fake. We have ice spice. We have money. I don't have this where it just goes down you. You have that nice. You have stuff only modders can give you. Now we have the mod menu. This is $10. I know it's overpriced. Speed boost. RGB monkey. Change colors. We all know what Grit Monkey is. You have a jetpack, like if you hold trigger, you fly up. We have a grappler. Spider-Man. We have that like in Capuchin. That's the band. That's a sign. This is like gazebo. Wait, what is this? You have trees. You have gazebo. We have a horror down there. I don't want to show because last time I did one, my video got taken down. Those are the only maps so far, but it's like a very fun. This is like a weight against the mod. There is a freeze hammer, a red bow tie, a throne, a pool of water, the bonk, the golden stick, and a golden kick gun. I've seen it because a modder. I've got bonked. I've met the owner. I'm not a mod, so don't ask. I've got almost every achievement. I've got kicked. I've got bonked. I've met the creator in a lobby. I don't even remember. But yeah, they used to have an out of the map glitch, but they patched it already. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. If you guys want to read the rules, pause the video. So yeah, that's basically the video. They also have a tutorial. It's literally gorilla tag just without the arrows. That's what it looks like. Whoop. I'm working on getting Discord to file an application for mod, and if I do, I'll be making a video on it.